Hey, what's going on, everybody? Deep Rooted Dishes here with another video. Before we get started, I just need everybody to hit that like and subscribe button, and be sure to watch our old videos and share all the old videos that we have and this new video as well. So today, as you can see, today is grocery day. So just getting in and kind of organizing everything that I got. A lot of food, and I just want to kind of show everybody what we eat at Deep Rooted Dishes as vegans. You know, everybody's interested in the lifestyle. Some are in the lifestyle and new to it and need some guidance. So I just decided to make this video to kind of give some help and give some insight to, you know, what we eat on a daily basis. So it's one of those kind of videos. So as you can see, we have a lot of food, and there's a lot that's not on the screen, so I'm probably gonna have to chop this up into a few different slides, but this is our first slide. So let's just go through the items together. So as you can see here, we have ackee from Governor's Choice. Very good. It's a company that is pretty new but is expanding, and I enjoy their ackee. It's pretty good. So that's their ackee. We have Grace's coconut milk, which is essential in our kitchen, you know, especially this month that we're in. It's been a goal, and not even this month, it's been a few months where we've been trying to cut out salt or sodium, and this is something that helps a lot with cutting out the salt and the sodium, alongside with, you know, seasonings and stuff. But we also bought seasonings that I'll show you in the next slide. But we bought a few of these, and these are inexpensive. So we have our coconut milk there, we have our baked beans here. We love to have this. It's pretty much ready-made, and it's all vegan ingredients inside of it. So we always have this when we go grocery shopping. Here we have a lot of protein, a lot of our beans, and our beans are usually bought from Siraj. So big up Siraj. They always have beans and peas in bulk for very, very good price. For those who don't know, if you buy things, especially food, within bulk, it becomes cheaper. So if you're to buy these, let's say in cans, it would be a lot more expensive. A can of chickpeas at a certain point was pretty much $1 at a certain point. Now I know it's more than a dollar, but a can of chickpeas would only be a portion of this bag. And especially when you add water to these and you soak these beans, they expand. So what you see in the package is like only a portion of what it really is. So big up Siraj again. They have very good stuff, so check them out. They're in all of the local, well, I won't say all of them, but most of the local grocery stores here in the GTA. So check them out. Good prices, very good quality foods. We also have some more proteins because we're big on protein here, and we try our best to stay away from soy products as much as possible. Sometimes we have it, but other times we try to get our protein from other sources. So we have our nuts here that we buy in bulk as well. So it's something that we always have when we go grocery shopping, as well as oatmeal. We use oats for many things. Instant oatmeal in the morning to mix with berries and raisins and stuff like that. But we also make something called peanut punch. We'll come out with another video to explain how we make that. But oats we buy in bulk. Usually we have more than this, but I'm just showing you a little sample of what we buy. So oatmeal is something else that we always have, and it's very, very, very good for you, good for the body, high in fiber. Yeah, so that's something else that we have. Here we have both our dairy-free milk from Almond Breeze here. We have our dairy-free yogurt from Silk. Both of these companies are amazing. I support Silk a lot, and I also support Blue Diamond almonds as well, but Silk is my favorite. Nothing against any other company, but Silk is just, they're on point. as you can see, we have the unsweetened versions, because as the same thing with salt and sodium, we're trying our best to stay away from sugar as much as possible, you know, especially with us just being in quarantine. It's the best time to kind of get in routine and pick up good habits instead of having bad habits such as sugars and other processed foods and stuff like that. You know, it's good to take this time to detox. So big up Silk, because they have the unsweetened version, and it's the same thing with Blue Diamond almonds, almond milk, non-sugar. So we got that. Missed some more almonds right here, and we have hummus, which is another essential. I find that hummus is full of flavor, and when you add it to certain meals, certain salads and stuff, it's a nice little touch to it. So we always have hummus as well. We have a next like 5 packs in the fridge that couldn't even fit on this table. So we have our tomato sauce, we have our cashew nuts, gluten-free pasta. Yeah, gluten-free pasta is pretty good. I don't have any allergies towards gluten at all, but it's also just, it's available, and it's a good choice. So one day I just picked it up and tried it out, and to be honest, it's a really good pasta. So Catelli is the company that makes it, and I think the box is about close to $2, a little bit over $2, and you get a few meals out of this small pack here. So yeah, very good company, very good pasta as well. And here, if you guys follow us on IG, you'll always see this olive oil here. There's a lot of olive oils out there, and they're all pretty good, but this has to be our favorite for sure. It's always at Walmart. For those who are Walmart goers, it's always there. It's always good price, and the quality doesn't even match the price, to be honest. The quality is so good, so I feel that they could charge a little bit more, but hopefully not, because it's perfect price and it's good quality. So yeah, this is our first part of our grocery right here. So pretty much here we have our proteins, some canned vegetables, canned milk, not milk, coconut milk, more protein, beans, pasta, hummus. Yeah, so this is just some of the essentials. So in the next slide, what I'm going to do is show you all the fruits and vegetables that we usually buy, and the seasons that we buy as well. So pretty much these things kind of last for a long time. These are all good bulk foods, things that last pretty long, and they're not expensive at all. Generally, when we go grocery shopping, it lasts us a few weeks, a little bit over 3 weeks, and it's not that expensive each trip, you know, and everything lasts. As I said, these things will last for a while in our kitchen, while obviously fruits and vegetables have to be used, and you know, because it's not able to preserve itself past a certain amount of time. So generally these are the things that we have in our kitchen that last a long time. So next slide will be fruits and vegetables, and I'll show you what's going on. All right guys, so this is part 2 of our grocery haul. So as you can see, the table is full of health, full of color, full of nutrition. So pretty much here we have, let's start over here first then. Got our blueberries, frozen, President's Choice. We have this usually to make our smoothies. We love to make smoothies. So we have other fruits, other frozen fruits, but this is what we bought today. They're very good quality. And yeah, they come frozen. So with frozen fruits and vegetables, the good thing about that is the shelf life is obviously a lot longer and a lot better as well, because if you're to buy blueberries, you'd have to use them within like a week's time, whereas frozen, you could kind of use them in a timely manner and in portions as you like, instead of just having to use all of it within a week. So we bought frozen blueberries as well as frozen kale for the same reason, and both of them are from President's Choice. Very good quality, a little bit pricey, but it's worth it because, as I said, it lasts a longer time. So we have those two. We also have some apples that we bought. We bought a lot more, but we're kind of trying to squeeze everything on the table. For other fruits, we have a pineapple, lots of bananas. As I said, we make lots of smoothies, so bananas are on deck all the time for smoothies and also for protein shakes that I make as well. It's also a good sweetener if you're trying to cut out sugars as well. So we have bananas in abundance always, and we try our best to buy them organic. It's not that much more expensive than regular bananas, so we usually buy organic bananas. A whole bunch of oranges. Oranges are something that you can buy in bulk and at decent price for bulk, and they're very, very, very healthy, especially for those who live in cold environments, cold countries, especially within the winter right now. It's really good to have any form of citrus. So we bulk up on lots of oranges, as you can see. We have some kiwi on the side as well, and I'm pretty sure that's most of our fruits, at least, that's on the table. So to go into some veg and also protein, we have our mushrooms, again from President's Choice, because they just have everything on lock. So we have our mushroom from them. We have 2 big packs of spinach, very good in price. These packs are huge, full of spinach. We usually use it for, again, smoothies and also just cooking. We love to cook spinach. It's very healthy and it's full of protein as well, so we always have that in abundance. Onions, super essential when we're cooking. The food has to have flavor. So even before we're talking about seasonings and stuff, onion and garlic has to be in the kitchen for sure for food to come out well, in my opinion. So onions. We have some avocados here, pretty much nice and ripe. Some lime for some more citrus. Sweet peppers from farmer's market, and celery and cucumber. So yeah, this is pretty much the produce that we buy. Some in bulk. Well, most of them are in bulk, but yeah, all in bulk actually when I look at the table, which makes everything a lot cheaper. I always tell people, if you need to buy 1 or 2, that's cool, but usually when you buy things in packs or in bulk, it becomes cheaper. So yeah, this is how our vegetables look, and our fruits as well. We like to make sure we have lots of greens, lots of fruits, natural sugars, and all that stuff. So there's actually a lot more fruits that we have, but this is what's on the table, and we have a lot more. We have some honeydew and honeydew cantaloupe, some other things, but this is enough to show you guys. So just to show you how much fruits and vegetables we usually have. Got to keep it healthy as much as possible. So for the last slide, I'm going to show you guys some sweeteners that I usually buy, because I was telling you a little bit earlier that we're trying to cut out all of the sugar. So if you're not going to use sugar, obviously you need to have some kind of replacement, because a lot of things are bland and bitter. So yeah, I'm going to show you something that we usually buy as well from the grocery store that helps us with cutting out of sugar, and also like healthy choices instead of sugar, healthier choices. So catch me on the next slide and I'll show you what we have. All right guys, so we're pretty much at the end of our video here. as I was telling you before, just wanted to show you some things that we also buy that aids us in helping to cut out the sugar. So here, as you can see, we have some pitted dates. All right, each pack was going for about $1, so we picked up a whole bunch. There's even more than what's on the screen. $1 each, and it's a pack with a lot of them in there, right? So dates are full of natural sweetness, so when you're able to soak them in hot water and allow it to sit and soften, and you're to blend it or puree it and use it as a sweetener, it's a big help in eliminating sugar completely. So a smoothie that you would need a little bit of sugar in, or a drink, any drink that you would want to make that needs some kind of sugar or sweetener, dates are perfect for that, as well as baking as well. If you want to eliminate sugar, you might need to use a little bit, but dates are super helpful in cutting out sugars as much as possible, and that's what we're trying to do. So between dates and also maple syrup, again, President's Choice, super dope company. They have all that good stuff that we need here in the city. So we buy their 100% pure maple syrup. We don't like to buy anything that is not good quality and not the real thing. So here in Ontario, we have a lot of maple trees, and a lot of the maple trees they produce maple syrup. So this is President's Choice, their version of 100% pure maple syrup. Now this pack is a bit pricey, but as I said, sometimes you gotta pay a little bit of money to make sure that everything that you're having as far as foods and drinks and anything that you're ingesting is healthy choice. So yes, it is expensive. It's about $11 or $12 for this glass here, but it lasts a while if you try to avoid using too much. It's very strong in flavor. Well, not really in flavor, but in sweetness, and it's a natural sweetness. So it's obviously the best choice that you can have. So as I was saying to you guys, this is pretty much the last of all the groceries. We missed out some fruits, some vegetables, some seasonings and stuff that we usually buy, but we fit in what we could fit in. And yeah, so this is how we usually do our groceries. These are the things that we usually buy. This video is just insight and help for people who kind of need guidance when they go to do grocery shopping, and the things that they should buy that would help them survive the vegan, vegetarian, plant-based lifestyle. So with all these things that we buy, obviously comes lots of food, so just look out for more videos and more posts as more recipes are going to be made from us. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I need you guys to, if you haven't yet, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like all of our videos, share them, give us a thumbs up, and also use that comment section to just let us know what you guys are thinking about our videos, and if anything you want to see in the future, just use the comment section. Also for constructive criticism, hit us in the comment section and just let us know what you're thinking of the video. All right, thanks for watching. Look out for some more videos.